Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sigala. In this session, we learn the ternary operator in Java. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here I use simple notepad so we can understand or learn more. So first, that is a class keyword, and here we can use ternary operator. So yes. That is a ternary. So ternary OP, yes, that is our class name. And then we can, yes, opening closing brace, and then public static void main. So that is a main method, and that is a one argument we have to pass, and that is a one dimensional array, and that also opening closing brace. And now what we can define one that is a we can check like if else condition. I already one take the demo, so same here we can say that uh, even odd numbers. So how very short, concise logic. So here we can declare like n one variable and then assign to like 9. So that is a odd number. So how to get? So yes, very short s1, and we can define that s1 or like any variable name. So that is a parenthesis, yes, and question and parenthesis. So here we can equal sign and then n modulo. So that is a 2 and equals 0. So that is a we can say that that is number is a indirectly we can write in double quotes. So that is a we can even number. So or the number is even. So even number. So yes, that is a perfectly. Yes, now colon sign and in double quotes. So odd that number, so even number and odd number and semicolon. And then we can print, yes, system dot out dot print. So that is a value is a print. So we can print directly S1. So that is a simple, yes, here complete that program simple. There is a very only one line logic like if else condition. So if number is a even, so that store that number is even in s1 string and colon. So that is a if and that is a else part. So we can just print the message and that is our output. So let us check. So first I can save Alt F and S. So that asking, yes, here we can that file name is a class name is a file name, same rules. So ternary or op dot java. So TROP, that is our Java file name. And now, yes, how to compile? You have to know. We have to go in command prompt. So yes, here already listed. So that is command prompt, and we can maximize and cd slash then f colon and go Java go. That is our directory. And here, look, I first my video lecture Java path. So that is a batch file create in first video lecture in my YouTube channel. So you can watch that is a path and class path. So set path and set class path. So our class file store in the Java Pro programming Pro means. And now we can compile Java C. Yes, our file name terop.java. So that is a compile. So yes, there is no any error. And now launch. So TROP. So let us check. Yes, odd number. So yes, that is our result. So now we can change. Yes, here I give the 8. So that is a even. So filter F and S, control S you have to press and go again in those up arrow key. So previous all command is appear. Now I can compile. Yes, that is compile again and run. So that is a odd. Yes, here that is number is n. So yes, that why taking odd. So yes, here that is a number 9 but not change. Yes, I save. Yes, that control S, now that perfectly. So yes, I alter F and S. Now we can save and then compile. So that is giving the previous output. So not perfect, because we have to now change by again compile, save, and then run. So you can look here, that is a perfection. So even number, so previous file is not means updated. So yes, that perfectly. So very short technique. Yes, I just show you my coding. So here there is a very concise, that is a ternary. You have to know that is a our if condition, and that condition is true. So that string directly we can assign to s1 string variable, and if condition is false, so this part assigned to s1 and s1 string variable, we can print system.out.println. System is a inbuilt, that is a class, or you can say that package, and output string. So that is a string means collection of bytes, and print is a method of that collection. So yes, so many print ln, that is new line. So I hope that is very simple. So yes, that is a ternary operator we can see in the Java. So any question regarding this definition, very concise logic we have to develop using the, that is a and also you can take as a minimum maximum two integer numbers, same that ternary operators. So I hope you can understand. So subscribe my channel Ashok C Jala Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update, and thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.